Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the last video we saw exercise 5.59 sum from the 12th standard CBSE textbook. In this class we are going to see exercise 5.5 sum. But before that I just want to say a few things. We are posting till last week we are posting video on a daily basis. Daily we used to post videos like 1 week CBSE, 1 week metric, like that. Will be posting the videos. We have been posting the videos, but if we post videos daily, we cannot concentrate on the quality of the video. So from the upcoming week, from Monday, we are planning to, not from Monday, from today, we are planning to post videos like in alternative days. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, in our channel you will be receiving the videos. So 4 days a week, 2 days for 11th standard and 2 days for 12th standard, and the procedure is the same: 1 week metric and 1 week state board. So you will be receiving four videos per week. So please check our regular notifications in our channel. To get our regular notification, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now we'll get into the topic. If you want to see our other videos, please click that I button at the top. Now this is a function this is the equation that has been given for us to differentiate, right? So let me take this to be my 1. Here the base also, for I have two terms on my left hand. Right hand side it is a constant, the derivative is 0, simple. But the left hand side I have a binomial term where each term is like the base is also variable, the power is also variable. I have told you, if the base and power are variable, we will use the method of logarithmic differentiation. So what I will do, before but taking log on both sides, what I will do, since it is a monomial, we can directly get into take log on both sides method. Okay, but since it is a binomial, what I have to do? I have to take this to be my u and this to be my v. Not the uv formula, product rule formula, that is different. You can use any variable for this. I am using it as v, u and v. So let u equal to x power y, u equal to x power y, v equal to y power x. Let me take this to be 2 and this to be 3. Now we substitute 2 and 3 in one, what will be getting? 2 and 3 in equation 1. I'll be getting what? This is u and this is v. So I'll get u plus v equal to 1. Now if I differentiate this, what I'll be getting? Differentiate this with respect to x. What I'll be getting? Du by dx plus dv by dx equal right hand side constant, which is alone. So derivative is what? 0. Right. So let me take this to be my equation 4. Now simple, I will find du by dx, I will find dv by dx. How will I find du by dx? If I differentiate this, I will get du by dx. If I differentiate this, I will get dv by dx. If I substitute that, I will get automatically, I will be getting dy by dx. Right. Now let me take equation 2 now. But I cannot simply differentiate this because left hand side du by dx, right hand side if I differentiate, I cannot differentiate because directly I cannot differentiate because the base is also variable, power is also variable, but it is a monomial now for this particular equation. So what I can do, I can go with logarithmic differentiation directly for this particular step. So take log on both sides, take log on both sides in equation 2. In equation 2, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting log u equal to log u equal to log of right hand side, log of x power y. Now if I can take this y to the front and I can write it as log u equal to y into log x, Now it is easy for me to differentiate. If I differentiate log u, let me take this to be let me differentiate this. What I will be getting? Differentiating with respect to x. So what are the formula I am going to use here? Derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is what? Log x derivative is 1 by x, and I am going to use uv formula over here. uv formula, uv the whole dash equal to vu dash plus uv dash. So this is my u right hand side and this is my v. Here it is the product rule uv. Okay. So left hand side, if I differentiate, log x derivative is what? Log x derivative is 1 by x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. So log u derivative is 1 by u. But what I differentiated? I differentiated u. So du by, with respect to x, right? So du by dx, du by dx. Right hand side, first it is of u into v whole dash. So vu dash. Vu dash means put v as it is. Vu dash means put v as it is. Log x as it is. U dash. U dash means derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. So dy by derivative of y is 1. Then we should put d by dyx. So you all know that log x I am writing as it is. V, that is v as it is. U dash derivative of u, that is y is dy by dx. So this part over, plus uv dash now. Uv dash. Uv dash means put u as it is. That is y as it is. V dash. V dash means derivative of log x. Log x derivative is what? 1 by x. 1 by x. So I want du by dx only for my equation 4. So what I am going to do? I am going to take this u that side. So du by dx equal to u into log x dy by dx plus y by x plus y by x. Right. Now what is my u actually? My u is nothing but x power y. My u is nothing but x power y. So in the place of u, what I can substitute? I can substitute my equation 2. Use equation 2. So what I'll be getting? Du by dx equal to du by dx equal to x power y log x into dy by dx plus y by x. So this is my du by dx. This is my du by dx. Now let me find dv by dx with the help of this. So let me rub this side. So let me take v equal to equation 3 is what? V equal to y power x. V equal to y power x. So let me take now to differentiate. Before differentiate this, take log on both sides. I am not writing it. Log v equal to log of y power x. How we did for equation 2, the same procedure. Now I can take this x to the front. I can write log v equal to x into log y. X into log y. Right. Now I can differentiate this. This will be my u and this will be my v. So left hand, if I differentiate this, what I'll be getting? Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What I'll be getting? Log v derivative is 1 by v into d by d. I differentiated v with respect to x. Log v derivative is 1 by v, d by d. I have differentiated v with respect to x equal to uv. The same v u dash formula. V u dash means put v as it is. Log y as it is. Derivative of x is what? V u dash. Put v as it is. U dash means derivative of x is what? 1 plus uv dash. Put x as it is. Derivative of log y. V dash means v dash. Derivative of log y is 1 by y. 1 by y into, I have differentiated y, right? So into dy by dx. Dy by dx. Now I want dv by dx. Right? So dv by dx equal to log y plus x into 1 by y. I can write it as x by y dy by dx into what? Into this v. So equal to v into this part. V into my right hand side. I have taken this v to this side. So v into this part. So what is my v actually? According to equation 3, if I use equation 3, what is my v? V is nothing but y power x. So dv by dx equal to y power x log y plus x by y into dy by dx. So this is my dv by dx. So I know du by dx and dv by dx. seen it in the previous step before this side, before I could erase this, you would have seen it. My fifth equation is du by dx plus dv by dx equal to 0. So substitute these two there. So what you will be getting? So if I substitute it there, what I will be getting? Phi implies, equation 5 is what? Du by dx plus dv by dx equal to 0. What is my du by dx? This is my du by dx. So x power y into log x plus log x into dy by dx, log x into dy by dx plus y by x plus what is dv by dx? It is here, dv by dx is here. So y power x into log y plus x by y dy by dx. So du by dx is here, I have written, plus dv by dx I have written it here, equal to what? Equal to 0. Now if I multiply it inside, what I will be getting? X power y log x dy by dx, dy by dx. If I multiply with this, I will be getting what? Plus x power y into y by x, right? Plus if I multiply this, what I will be getting? Plus y power x log y. If I multiply with this, I will be getting plus y power x into x by y into dy by dx equal to 0. So I multiply this inside, I got these two terms. If I multiply this inside, I will get these two terms equal to the right hand side is 0. Now let me erase this part. Right, so what I can do now, I can take out what common from these two terms. If I take out dy by dx common, what will be left out? Take out dy by dx common from the first from these two terms, from this term and this term. Take dy by dx common, what will be left out? X power y log x plus, actually it is y power 1, right? This is nothing but, let me write it here. If I combine y power x by y, what I will be getting is nothing but y power x into, if I take the numerator, it will become what? If I take this to the numerator, it will become y power minus 1, because it is nothing but y power 1. So y power minus 1, together I can write as y power x minus 1. So this along with this I can combine and I can write it as what? Y power x into y power x minus 1, I have taken out dy by dx common, I have taken out dy by dx common from these two, so leave that. The other term I have written. Now which term does not have dy by dx? This and this does not have dy by dx over there, so write it as it is, plus x power y. Here also what I can do, the same logic, and I can write this as x power y x power 1. Take it to the numerator, I will get what? X power y minus 1. X power, let me write it here, x power y by x I can write it as x power y into x power minus 1. So I can write it as x power y minus 1, x power y minus 1 into y, or I can write as plus y into x power y minus 1 plus y power x log y equal to 0. Now I can take, I want dy by dx only now, so let me take this term to the right hand side. I will be getting dy by dx equal to, if I take this term to this side, it will become minus y into x power y minus 1 minus y into x power y minus 1 minus y power x into log y. And if I take this term to the right hand side and I can bring this down, right? So I'll be getting what? Divided by x power y log x plus x into y power x minus 1. What I have done? I have taken these two terms to the right hand side and I have dy by dx into this. So let me bring this down. I'll get x power y log x plus x into y power x minus 1. So this is my dy by dx. But what I can do, I can take minus common from this. If I take out minus common from this, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting y into x power y minus 1 plus y power x log y divided by x power y log x plus x into y power x minus 1. So that's it. This is my dy by dx. Since the sum is too lengthy, I actually we have to make it as 2 steps. We should take this to the right hand side first, then we should bring this down. Since it is the time is, we can't have more than 30 minutes or 40 minutes for a single video, so I just skip this step. If anybody can't understand this particular step, since I skipped one step, please comment in the comment section. I'll try to explain in the next video. If you like this video, please click that like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell.